Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by determining whether the scratch is surface level or deep. This decides how aggressive you need to be. Once done, remove the strap and tape the bezel so only the glass is exposed, and clean the face with alcohol to remove oils. Next, wet sand gently with 2000-3000 grit to level the edges of the scratch. Keep the paper and glass wet to prevent heat and new scratches. Make sure to sand in a circular, even pattern until the scratch visually softens. Once the scratch's edge is blended, move to a finer polish step so you restore clarity rather than create haze. Apply a small amount of cerium oxide or jeweler's rouge mixed to a paste, then work it with a microfiber or soft buffing wheel on low speed or by hand if you prefer control. Make concentric motions and check the glass under bright light regularly so you don't overpolish. If optical distortion appears, stop and reassess grit or compound. After polishing, thoroughly clean the watch glass with isopropyl alcohol and a fresh microfiber to remove compound residue, then remove the tape and reattach the strap. If the mark was a deep gouge and polishing didn't restore optical clarity, you should consider replacing the crystal because aggressive polishing may thin or deform it. If you notice stubborn cloudiness, make sure you've used the correct fine compound and repeat the final polish. If that fails, consult a watchmaker for professional resurfacing or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.